Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have an Antiquity themed font by Saigo, a pack of stationery set icons by Ake, and 128 modern icon frames to use as background for icons by Kovac Domak, a collection of common ambient background sounds by Diablo Luna. Next, we have 4 new MV plugins. A plugin by Daedra Kine that can highlight text in our game. A plugin by Gimmer that allows us to set text that, whenever appears in show text, automatically becomes certain color. A plugin by Hangen that shuffles values from a start variable and an end variable and then stores it in another variable. This plugin is meant for shuffling a deck in card games. Next MV plugin is by Now Hiragi that allows us to get relative direction of events and players, so we can run events when an NPC looks at the player or if the player looks at an NPC. And we have an MC plugin by Casper Gaming that allows us to share changes in switches and variables across save files. A tileset of large rock patterns by Gyunyu Monaka. And lastly, another article tutorial by Hidden One on making interesting NPC move routes with script calls. That is all for today. Go back to game making now.